Hey there, I've got 45 minutes until the sun sets down, and I gotta mow the lawn, fertilize the lawn, and seed it. Let's do it. Well guys, welcome back to my yard. It's been quite a while since you guys have seen it, and let's just say we've had a good season. I just haven't showed you guys much of the lawn. Today we're gonna fertilize it, get some grass seed down, talk about a couple things, and we have no time to waste because, as I said, there's not much daylight left. So today, here's what the lawn's looking like, and what we're gonna go ahead and do is overseed with the GCI Turf Cool Blue Grass Seed. It's this new blend of turf type tall fescue and Kentucky bluegrass, and we're gonna go ahead and overseed that, as well as apply some of the N-Ext Green Pop 1621-2. That's gonna be our starter fertilizer, as well as probably some RGS Humic 12 and Aerate. We're gonna go ahead and do that today, get this lawn back into shape. Well, it does look good. There's just some areas that have struggled over winter, i.e. right here. As you can see, it's just, I don't know what happened, just thin. So we're gonna get it back into shape. I'm gonna actually go show you guys the seed, talk about that for a quick minute. I'm not gonna bore you with every other mother and their brother showing you content on how to overseed your lawn. So I'm just kinda gonna quickly do this and not bore you with content. So let's check out that seed real quick. Here's what we're dealing with, guys. We got some Thor tall fescue, blacktail tall fescue, Falcon IB tall fescue, blue coat bluegrass, and 0.0% other crop seeds, 1.6% inert matter, and 0.0% weed seed. That means it's a good seed. No weed seed. That means that everything that's going to germinate in here is either grass or grass. So we're going to go ahead and throw some of this stuff down. Big thanks to Mr. Pete Denny with GCI Turf for sending over a 25-pound bag of his wonderful seed, and we're gonna overseed this lawn here. Actually, I need to actually mow it first. So instead of boring you with mowing footage, ready? 1, 2, 3. Nice and mowed. So the first thing you want to do is you want to cut your lawn lower. Then you want to aerate or liquid aerate. I'm not going to share my opinion on it because I don't want the hate in the comments. Do what pleases you. Aerate it or liquid aerate it. It doesn't matter. Do it your way. I'm not sharing my way. I'm sure you already know my way. I'm not sharing because I don't want the hate in the comments. Aerate it or liquid aerate it. It's up to you, honestly. Then mow it down short. The next step is going to be seed. Right now, we're gonna apply the seed. We're gonna do 5 pounds per thousand on my yard. My yard's pretty thick. We're just filling in some bare spots. So 5 pounds per thousand times 3,000 square feet. We need 15 pounds of grass seed. Do you really think I'm gonna get a scale out and measure 15 pounds? No, I'm gonna pour about half this bag of grass seed into the spreader and spread it down right on the yard. We're supposed to have fun here, not be so particular. So let's go have some fun. Look at that sunset though. All right guys, so it has gotten dark out, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply this with a little headlamp on just because I need to get this down. As you can see, 16% nitrogen, 21% phosphorus, 2% potassium. Apply at a rate of 15 ounces per thousand for warm season and 15 ounces for cool season. I'm actually deficient in nitrogen, so I'm gonna do this rate 15 ounces per thousand every 1 to 2 weeks with this product and get her down just to kind of get this seed going. So great product here from my friends over at Greene County Fertilizer. We're gonna get this down right now with my headlamp on, and there's gonna be no looking back on this product, as well as some RGS Aerate and I think some Humic 12. Go ahead and mix it up in backpack sprayer, as well as right here I have some propiconazole, so I'm gonna throw that down for fungus since we're gonna be watering quite a bit. So we'll go ahead, and since it's dark, I won't show you guys any of the process, you know what it looks like. But I got a backpack sprayer, right back here. Fill it up, 3 gallons of water. Get the lawn that's right there sprayed. Actually, I don't know if you can see it, but the sky, yeah, you can't because the clouds are right there. But the sky looks super, super cool. But we're gonna go ahead and get that down, and then I don't know, because I'm thinking here, this is completely raw. I'm thinking that depending on how much content I get out, I may be able to show you guys results of the yard as we finish up, because I may not even have the video out yet. So we'll see how this video turns out. Right now the date is September 5th. I'm actually getting to the aeration seedings a little bit late. Actually I did all mine last week in September, but my personal lawn I'm getting to a little bit late, so I guess we'll go ahead and get this mixed up, and without further ado, we'll get spraying. What's going on, guys? So I just want to go ahead and walk you through a few last things you want to consider when seeding. So first, you want to go to greenecastsoiltemperatures.com. That's going to be a website that you can plug in your zip code or your town and find out what exactly your exact soil temperature is. You want to seed when the temperature is just below 70 degrees, but no less than 60 degrees. So between 60 and 70, and you're golden to seed. You also want to check your 14-day forecast. Make sure you're not seeing any night temperatures in freezing, obviously. Make sure all that looks good, so that way you're not going to see the seed freeze or anything crazy like that. Also, on top of that, you want to make sure you're watering consistently. Without consistent water, that seed's not going to germinate. You want to make sure the soil that you're seeding in stays moist. So for some people that might be watering 2 times a day, for others that might be watering 3 times a day. For me, I recommend going ahead and watering early in the morning, around 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning, and once again around 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. If you need to add in an additional one, if you decide to seed early because you're trying to do a full renovation or something like that, then you might want to water 3 or 4 times a day, and maybe even substitute in some manual watering. Those are all things you may want to consider when seeding. But other than that, a typical overseeding probably only needs water for about 2 weeks, every single day, twice a day. Then you can back off to once a day, and then back off to your normal watering before you go into your freezing temps to slow down. That's really as simple as it is. Don't overcomplicate it. Just follow these simple steps and you will be golden to overseeding. My lawn looks absolutely great now. I actually have some pictures because it got dark and I need to get this video done. So I will roll those pictures at the end. But if you have any other questions about this process, please leave them in the box down below. But with that, I'm Aiden from Maison Landscaping. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.